Let's discuss about Bishop's score. What is Bishop's score? Bishop's score is used to predict the success of induction of labor. To predict the success of induction of labor. Here, Bishop's score is used to predict the success rate of induction of labor. That means if you are inducing labor, then first we have to see Bishop's score so that we can come to know how far the induction of labor will be successful, right? In this Bishop's score, we have 5 parameters. We have 5 parameters. One is dilation of cervix in centimeters. Okay, dilation of cervix in centimeters. Second one is effacement. Third one is station. Fourth one is cervical consistency. Fifth one is cervical position. Okay, there are 5 parameters. They are dilation of cervix, effacement, station, cervical consistency, and cervical position. And each of these parameters will be given 0 to 3 as score. Each parameter will be given 0 to 3 as score. Let's see the scoring. This is scoring. You see, as I told you, each parameter will be given scoring from 0 to 3, right? Dilation of cervix, effacement, station, cervical consistency, and cervical position. And coming to dilation of cervix in centimeters, the score 0 is given when cervix is completely closed, right? 1 is given when the cervix is dilated from 1 to 2 centimeters. 2 is given when cervix is dilated 3 to 4 centimeters. 3 is given when cervix is dilated beyond 5 centimeters. This is about dilation of cervix. Then effacement. Usually effacement is measured in percentage, right? So here also we will go based on this percentage of effacement. Score 0 is given when the effacement is 0 to 30%. Okay. Score 1 is given when the effacement is 40 to 50%. Score 2 is given when the effacement is 60 to 70. Score 3 is given when the effacement is greater than 80%. Right? So we can simply remember 30, 50, 70 and 80. 0 to 30, 40 to 50, 60 to 70, greater than 80, like that. Okay. Station. When the station is -3, then the score is 0. When the station is -1, the score is 1. When the station is -1 to 0, -1 and 0, the score is 2. When the station is +1 and +2, the score is 3. Right? Cervical consistency. When cervical consistency is firm, the score is 0. When cervical consistency is medium, the score is 1. When the cervical consistency is soft, the score is 2. And for giving score 3 also the same, right? Or cervical position. When cervical position is posterior, the score is 0. When cervical position is mid position, the score is 1. When the cervical position is anterior, the score is 2. And there is no score for 3. There is nothing for score 3, right? Score 3 is absent in cervical consistency and cervical position. Remember this. Okay. So what is the maximum score when you add all these parameters? When the score is greater than 9 or more, when the score is 9 or more than 9, then the success will be more. We'll do successful induction of labor. When the score is less than 4, then we have to induce the ripening of cervix. We have to induce ripening of cervix. Right? We have to remember this 9 and 4 numbers. So when the score is greater than or equal to 9, the success will be more. When the total score is less than 4, then we have to induce ripening of cervix. And after this, there is, as the time passed, we have to increase the prediction rate, right? And due to this thought of increasing the prediction rate, there is one more score called modified Bishop score has been introduced. So the advantages is the prediction rate will be more in modified Bishop scoring. You see, in modified Bishop scoring, the difference is instead of effacement, here length of cervix is considered, right? Remaining parameters are same, only in place of effacement we introduce length of cervix. And moreover, for each parameter the score given is from 0 to 2, whereas in initial Bishop score the score is from 0 to 3. We can observe here, right? And the score given will also be different. You see, for dilation, if the dilation is 0, the score is 0. This is same in initial Bishop scoring and even modified Bishop scoring. 1 is given when the dilation is 1 centimeter, 2 is given when the dilation is greater than 2. Length of cervix, when the length of cervix is 2 centimeter, the score is 0. When the length of cervix is 1 centimeter, the score is 1. When the length of cervix is less than 0.5, the score is 2. Right? Station, the score is 0 when the station is -2. The score is 1 when the station is -1. The score is 2 when the station is 0. Then moving to cervical consistency. 0 is given when the cervical consistency is firm. 1 is given when cervical consistency is soft, and 2 is given when the cervical consistency is soft and stretchable. Right? Then moving to cervical position. When the cervical position is posterior, then the score is 0. When the cervical position is mid position, the score is 1. When cervical position is when the cervical position is anterior, the score is 2. Right? This is the modified Bishop scoring. Then what will the interference of this modified Bishop scoring? When the value is between 6 to 8, when the maximum value that we get after adding all these things is 6 to 8 centimeters, then 90% of women with this score, they deliver within 6 hours. Okay, if the score is between 6 to 8, then there is a possibility for the delivery within 6 to 8 hours. And this takes place in almost 90% of women. If the score is less than 6, then the outcome cannot be predictable. Outcome cannot be predictable. Right? This is about modified Bishop scoring.